Hey dear, this is Subhas here and welcome to my new video. And in this video, this is a little quick case study videos and some my personal strategy I'll sharing with you on how to sell high ticket offer using simple three steps and I'll showing my blueprint and exact landing page and exact traffic source and how much I made and my PayPal earning. So everything in this video I'll show you, cover everything. So just give me 5 to 10 minutes and watch entire video and I'll explain everything how I made $691 selling just two high ticket offers and receiving as a PayPal. So welcome and first I'll show you my earning about how I made which I made. You can see here I made lifetime 691. I'll selling promoting just high ticket offer, and this is not my Warrior Plus and Zebizu earning. It is other high ticket offers which I have been selling. And you can see here today I just received mail. I received $620 in my PayPal account. If you can see here, this is my PayPal account. And so just one day receiving $620, it is huge money for anyone, me and anyone. If you struggling to online marketing and you doing affiliate marketing, so it is huge money. So I'll explain you what I do and made this kind of money and how I get sell. You exact my blueprint and my landing page and which software I use for creating landing page, because a lot of people using Clickfunnel I also use, but this time I tested a new software. So just open my PayPal and you already see my earning. So if basically high ticket offer is very good, but you should need to target a right audience for that particular offer, and if you miss high targeted traffic, then you will never make any high ticket commission, because it is tricky to know anyone spend a lot of money on online to so firstly I'll go to blueprint, which blueprint I use and making these sales. So I'm on the blueprint area, and you can say you can see here how I generate high ticket commission blueprint. And first I'll get high targeted traffic from Facebook ads, and you can see I already working with Facebook ads, and it is just 1 minute. I'll create a campaign and Google AdWords. It is my two best traffic source, and my Facebook ads and my Google ads is my best Facebook ad traffic source for selling high ticket offer. And in every traffic I'll send on my high ticket offers opt-in page, where user and visitors put their email ID and name. After then I'll redirect on the thank you page. As many time I'll send directly to webinar registration page. After then watch 90-minute videos and 2 hour free training. After then they bought and I made a commission. And this is my simple 3-step blueprint, and which I'll show you my opt-in page. I'll just here on the, so you can see here, this is my opt-in page. It is really simple landing page, no any technical. And it is you can see here three simple step to start an affiliate marketing business. And during number one, how to find a great product to promote, and how to find six figure how to set up six figure system, how to set up high targeted quality traffic. Just simple. Visitors put a email, so name and email. After then it will redirect on the other webinar registration page. I'll show you how. So you can see here After then anyone can bought, and I made a commission. So commission. And after then I retarget to I'll sending 7-day follow-up series, and autoresponder follow-up email number 1 2 3 4 5. It is all high ticket offer, different high ticket offer. And if any one visitors going on to bought any, you can see here my page redirect on the this webinar registration page, and anyone registration registered, watched and bought this offer, then I made a commission according my blueprint. And autoresponder I'll set up everything correctly to 8 email for 8 and 9 days, where I'll sending different offer for selling. How I create my landing page, you can see here, this is one of the software. It is Google and Facebook friendly, because the newbie problem, Facebook disable flagged account instantly if they not using correct and real landing page. So don't worry, you can see here in the here, this software giving me really user friendly and huge benefits. I don't need to spend for money for Clickfunnel like $97 per month. When I use, then I got a lot of profit. And just one moment. So and in 7 day series I'll promote like Clickbank, other high ticket offers and everything, and making so much commission. So this is final updates about my quick case study videos, because a lot of people asking me give me your high ticket income proof on your PayPal account, and I'll showing with you, and my landing page and my traffic source, so everything with you. So if you want to access, if you want to learn step by step, then if you are watching on YouTube, click the description and watch 1 hour training. I'm joined also great program and learning everything step by step. And also this is completely free, and if you want to get this exact software, well, all done for you campaigns, you can see here, all done for you campaigns. I don't need to spend much time for building email opt-in page. So contact me and I'll give you this software access. It is not free, but it is one time price, and you'll be making a lot of commissions. So in follow-up series, I'll sending different offer opt-in page, and opt-in page where any my one visitors going and registered and watch the webinar, and I'll make the commission. So it is simple strategy which I am follow. If you interested, then comment below and ask me on my Facebook and Twitter and anywhere where you see me, and I'll give you and reply you back as soon as. And yeah, so finally, if you want to learn step by step, I hosted 1 hour training for you, and go to and access now. And so finally, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next video.